Walking taco meaning. A walking taco is what? A bag of chips, often Fritos, Doritos, or tortilla chips, stuffed with taco fillings or comparable items is known as a walking taco. Usually, walking tacos are eaten straight out of the bag, often with a spoon. Although variations exist, common walking taco fillings include well-known and frequently Americanized taco components including ground beef, shredded or nacho cheese, shredded lettuce, and chopped tomatoes. The Midwest region of the U.S. is where you'll most frequently hear the phrase, walking taco. They are particularly well-liked during athletic events, when food sellers frequently sell them. In certain regions, what is known as Frito pie in others is referred to as a walking taco. The term of Frito pie is more frequently used in the South, particularly Texas, to describe a bag of Fritos chips stuffed with chili, or the same combination served from a dish instead of straight from the bag. Example, I always use a spoon to begin eating my walking tacos, but eventually I just dump the entire bag into my mouth.